All right, quick update on the next project. The motor on it's pretty much, it was pretty much locked solid. So I didn't force the crank over too much because I didn't want to do any damage to anything. So rather than doing that, I just pulled the valve cover off to see if I could see anything going on the top side of the motor, and it looks perfect. Everything up top looks just absolutely perfect. So I went back to the crank and kind of give it a little bit of more of a shove, and I got it to turn. So, but it's not all good news, and I'll show you guys. I'll show you what it looks like at the minute. So, for a car that sucked up a bunch of water, I mean, this thing looks brand new inside. All the cams are good. From what I can tell, all the valves and everything seem to be okay as well. So what's going on? Oh, the timing. I don't have the timing tool, but I looked up at where these holes should be, and I think they're in time, or at least close enough. But yeah, let me show you guys what's going on with this thing. I'm gonna zoom you in to that borescope. So this is cylinder number 1. And let me just get it in there. Whoa. So yeah, there's the spark plug threads, and we're gonna try and get in. There you go. So there's the top of the piston, right? And if you can see, as I turn the crank, it's coming up, right? So the piston's moving, right? No big deal. That's the very top of the piston. Okay, piston will go back down, no problem. All right, cylinder number 2, we're gonna do the same thing. Let's get that. So there's your spark plug threads, top of the piston, nothing. Hey, so this thing has broke a connecting rod. So absolutely nothing is happening when I turn that crank. So number 2 is foobarred. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It needs an engine. Simple as that. So yeah, pretty much needs an engine. That's it. We're condemning this one. The head might be good on it. We'll see. I'm not going to take it apart in the car. I'm just going to yank the whole motor out, and then yeah, maybe I can sell the head, get some money back for that. Who knows? The block is most likely gone. I don't really want to take the block apart, put new rods in it, new sleeves. It's just too much work. I don't really have time to do all that. Yeah, of course you can do it, but I don't have time for that. So I have to get an engine for it, no big deal. I'm going to try and buy that one that's up in Michigan with the lower miles on it. And then, next video will be yanking this one out, which I'll probably do it this afternoon.